Now seventh example. What is given to you? A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. So in 1 liter of petrol, car runs how much? It runs 16 kilometer. Okay, and what is asked? How much distance will it cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol? Therefore, in 2 3/4 liter 4 liter of petrol, car will cover the distance. This you have to find. See here one more. This is the same case. For one it is given and for more it is asked. So what you will do? You will multiply here. Okay. So you will multiply this 2 3/4 by 16. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11 upon 4 multiplied by 16. Divide the 16 by 4. 4s are 16. So what is remaining here? 11 multiplied by 4. So what is the answer? 44. So how much distance will it cover in 2 3/4 liters of petrol? 3/4 liters of petrol is 44 kilometer. At last you have to write thus or hence. What you will write here? It will cover 44 kilometer distance in what? In how much? 2 3/4 liter of petrol. This is the solution for this 7th question. So now we are going to start next exercise 2.4, question number 1. But before starting this question, I would like to tell you that what do you mean by reciprocal? Okay, understand this concept. Reciprocal क्या होता है? For example, this is the fraction 2/5, and I asked you that what is the reciprocal of 2/5? See, you can see here 2 is numerator and 5 is denominator. So whenever the question comes to write reciprocal, so what you will do? This denominator you will write at the numerator's place and numerator you will write at the denominator's place in this way. So what is the answer? 5 upon 2. Okay. Similarly, if I ask 1/4, write down its reciprocal. So what you will write? 4. 4/1 or 4. If you will write 4, then also it is fine, because if there is nothing here means there is 1 present there. If I am asking you about 2/3, what is the reciprocal of 2/3? So just make opposite. Okay, denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So the answer is 3/2. So 3/2 is the reciprocal of 2/3. Okay, in this way you can write the reciprocal of the given fractions. So now let us start this first question. What is given to you? In the first question it is given 12 divided by 3/2. So how to solve this? Write down this 12 as it is. Okay. So whenever this type of question comes, okay, about division, so what you have to do? You have to replace this division by multiplication. Okay. लेकिन जब आप इसको multiplication sign से replace कर रहे हैं, at that time you have to make the reciprocal of this fraction. Means 3/4. इसका reciprocal क्या बन जाएगा? Reciprocal क्या बन जाएगा? 4 upon 3. Then it is correct. अगर आप multiplication sign ले रहे हैं और इसका reciprocal करना भूल गए, if you forgot to make the reciprocal of 3/4, then your answer is incorrect. Okay, it is wrong. Then that's why keep this thing in mind. Replace division by multiplication, but at the same time make the reciprocal of this given fraction. Now solve it. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 4 into 4, and the answer is 16. Okay, look at this solution carefully. Now next. by 5 by 6 as it is. Now 14. As I told you, write here multiplication sign, but at the same time make the reciprocal of this fraction. What will become? 5 by 6 का reciprocal आएगा 6 by 5. Now solve this further. 14 into 6. 6 4s are 24 to carry. 6 1s are 6 plus 2. 24. Okay. And now divided by 5. Okay, if you want, you can write it into a mixed fraction, that is 5, 16, 5 are 80 and 80 plus 4 is 84. So this is the solution. What we have done, just replace this by multiplication sign and make the reciprocal of the given fraction. Now next, third one, 8 divided by 7 by 3. So how to solve this? Write down this 8 as it is. Okay, replace this by multiplication and make the reciprocal of this. So what it will become 3 by 7. 3 8s are 24 upon this 7. If you want, you can write it into a mixed fraction also. So how you will write? 7. 7 3s are 21 and 21 plus 3 is 24. Okay. So this is the representation into a mixed fraction. 3 by 7. Similarly, next, fourth one, 4 divided by 8 by 3. So how to solve this? Write down this 4 as it is. Multiplication, reciprocal. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 3 by 2. Next, fifth one. What is fifth? 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. Okay, this is the question. Now 3 as it is. Okay, first write division sign because we have to make this into an improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. Now convert. 3 multiply by, make the reciprocal, this will become 3 by 7. 3 3s are 9 upon 7. If you want, you can convert it into a mixed fraction. This is 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 2 by 7. This is the answer. 1 2 by 7. Now next, sixth. Sixth one is 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. So how to write this? You can write this as 5 divided by 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 upon 7. Now solve this. 5 multiplied by, reciprocal of this is 7 upon 25. Cancel this. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 7 upon 5. Or if you want, you can write it into a mixed fraction. This is 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. The answer is 1 2 by 5. It is very easy to solve. Just keep in mind, replace division by multiplication and make the reciprocal of the given fraction.